You have millions of ways to make money, and there you are doom scrolling on TikTok till it's 3 am and you're too bored to sleep. Maybe old Joe did us a favor by banning TikTok. If I just described your life story, don't worry, this was exactly me 2 years ago, but today I have multiple ways of making money online, and I did this all while still being addicted to cheap dopamine. And if you watch this video till the end, you can transform yourself as well. Making money online can feel like an impossible dream when you're hooked on constant entertainment, but trust me, it's totally doable. I've made serious money online through various side hustles and viral videos, and now I'm here to help you do the same if you buy my course for the low price of $997. All jokes aside, let's get started. First things first, you need the right vehicle to get to your destination. Your vehicle is your business model, the way you're going to make that first dollar. Now if you want a more in-depth guide on how to make that first dollar, you can watch my previous video. But the bottom line is, for people like us who don't want to work too hard, you need to find something that is very beginner friendly, which can be done by anyone. Think of it as your trusty Honda Civic. It's reliable, but it's not fast. And if you want to drive a Lambo one day, you need to build the credibility. So your Civic can be TikTok accounts or Instagram theme pages or AI generated content. There's literally tons of stuff you can choose from. The first thing I made money with was eBay dropshipping, and that's kinda dead now. But there's way more stuff where you can make so much money way faster. The key is to pick one and stick with it. Don't jump from one shiny object to the next. That's a recipe for disaster. Now finding a vehicle is easy, but the fuel is the hard part. Now you may have tried one of these businesses in the past and gained no progress and made no money. And this is exactly the reason why. The fuel is the actual work you're putting into the business. Now for my first side hustle, I didn't have to do a lot. I just had to look for potential products in AliExpress and list them for a higher price on eBay and just do it constantly until one of them sold, and then repeat it again and again. But if you choose something like a YouTube channel, it can be quite difficult to keep up with the work, and I am speaking from experience. You have to think of a video idea, write a script, and then record a voiceover, find clips and edits to put in the video, and finally edit it all together. Now you may not be able to work 8 hours a day every day. You may already have a job, or you may still be going to school, in which case you just want to scroll on TikTok when you come home. Now TikTok and YouTube has fried our attention span, and practically I don't think it can be fixed that easily. I myself have tried various techniques, dopamine detox, monk mode. None of them are permanent solutions. Once the motivation is gone, you will burn out like crazy. So what am I suggesting? Learning to live with it. Now your brain has two modes, the hyperactive 8-year-old and the chill dude. Basically, most things you do in your free time is done by the hyperactive 8-year-old. When you are in this mode, you need constant stimulation. You need to scroll to the next video even before the one you are watching ends. And even while you are watching the video, you need to read the comments to get that tiny bit of stimulation that will keep your brain from thinking about something else. On the other hand, the chill dude comes in once the 8-year-old finally falls asleep. But it's really hard to get him alone. Now once you become the chill dude, you can do quality work without needing constant stimulation, and that is exactly what you need to do some work and make money. Now to transition from the 8-year-old to the chill dude, you can try to do something less stimulating before you start work. Listen to some lo-fi beats, read a book, or just try to meditate a bit. This warms up your brain and puts the 8-year-old to sleep. But try not to do anything mentally demanding, because this might make you tired already without even doing any important work. And once you are in the zone, you can work efficiently for about 60 minutes. So whatever you are doing, you need to break it into hours. It's better if you can do more, but most people can't. But that's all you need to start making real progress. And remember, during this work time, avoid distractions like checking your phone or watching videos, because the 8-year-old will wake up and ruin your workday. And after a solid hour of work, take a break, do something stimulating to recharge, and then get back to work using the same routine. It's all about balancing these two modes to maximize your productivity and keep moving forward. But try not to push yourself too much, because you might burn out. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you learned something. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in the next video.